Welcome everyone to the May edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Newsletter. My name is John McNamara of Highball Advisors, and I just wanted to reach out this month and just thank everybody. We've reached over 2,500 subscribers, I guess railroaders at the end of the day, to the newsletter. So I'm very appreciative of that, and over 6,000 on the YouTube channel. So, I just want to thank you very much. Very blessed for that. This month I have some really good stuff. On the whiteboard of the month is the rule of 55 versus 72T. And this is really for those railroaders who are going to be retiring before the age of 60, right? How you build that bridge to early railroad retirement. So it really compares those two options. There's other options, but the rule of 55 versus 72T, check that video out. Mailbag of the month is where did my tier 2 railroad retirement go? So it's really about, hey, when you vest, how many years do you have to vest before you start acquiring tier 2, right? So check out that video, very interesting. Checklist of the month is kind of hits home for me. I have 4 daughters, so the checklist is what issues should I consider as my child becomes independent, right? They've all left me, they're independent. So going through that checklist is a lot of fun, and see, look into that one. And then finally, the economic chart of the month is volatility eases up for 2023. So what does that mean? It means this year markets have gone up, right? But if you notice, just a little market history here, when markets go up, they go up very slowly. So there's not a lot of volatility. And then as you can see, when they go down very, very violently, very rapid, and that's volatility. All right, so this year, most of the markets, everything is basically up this year, but it's just up very, very slowly. So that's what you should expect. So once again, thank you for subscribing to the newsletter. I really do appreciate it. Please share this with other railroaders. And until next month, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track. Take care. So long, everybody. Bye.